broccoli rice soup. So what I do is I get the soup together, which starts with leeks and carrots. That's what I've got cooking up here. While I'm heating up some chicken stock over here, I move forward with my secret ingredient to the soup, an equal amount of cumin and caraway seed. They work so great together. So I'm gonna zap up our spices in our little food mill. You toast your seeds and spices first, of course, to develop their flavor and aroma. Then I'm gonna add a little nutmeg and some garlic. Sprinkle in our flour. Okay, now we're going to add in our milk, or half and half, and we're going to add in our stock, equal amounts, about 3 cups of each. As soon as this comes up to a boil, add in your rice blend, and you're gonna cook that 15, 20 minutes. That's been bubbling away. Once it comes up to a boil, and the rice is cooked about 15 minutes at a low rolling boil, AKA simmer, that's when we stir in our chopped broccoli, or broccolini, or cauliflower. I'd say about 4 cups, 4 good cups, 1 big bunch of broccoli, head of broccoli, or 2 bundles of broccolini. Now that's delicious and very nutritious and fine. I add rotisserie chicken as well to make it really hearty and turn it into more of a dinner, you know, a supper. So just some pulled rotisserie chicken meat, which is such a bargain and such a great go-to for quick lunches, chicken salads, and for soups, obviously. And now we're just gonna let that finish cooking another 15 minutes to make the broccoli tender and to let the rice finish cooking through. Leaving it on simmer with the lid kind of ajar. Ta-da! I love a bubbly pot of soup like this. Look how hearty this is. It's got some pulled roast chicken and all of the beautiful whole grain rice and the vegetables. Look how hearty that is. It's so glorious, and it's about to get even better. What does broccoli love to hang out with? Cheese! Say cheese!